Humans use plastic bottles every day. This has become humans' culture. A lot of plastic bottle has been thrown away every single day. Today, we provide a new method to reuse the plastic bottle by refilling them with our perfume laundry detergent. We spread this idea to everyone, every individual, to every house, every family, as the message passed on to more and more people globally. We believe the usage of new plastic bottle will be reduced. Lesser plastic on our earth means greater environment for our children, for our loved ones. We want to see them healthy, happy. So we act now.